everyone, welcome to a tutorial for our National Park Explorer maps. So as you may know, we already have our original National Park map and it's done very well for our customers. So we wanted to kind of create a new version of that and reduce the size by half. So on the original design, it was probably roughly the same size as two of these put together. So now we kind of went half that size and we made it roughly 11 by 8.5. So that's now going to allow you to do 2 layers per standard laser sheet of material, which is great. So you could basically complete this entire map using 2 sheets. And then also we introduced brand new backgrounds. So this is one of the cut backgrounds here. And a little bit later in the video, I could show you some more of the different options for the cuts. And then we also introduced 3 scored backers that include like a shiplap, and then we have some designs incorporated into a scoring pattern as well. So for the score side, these are going to be the most basic to produce, and that was another thing that we wanted to do, is we wanted to create a basic option for these maps instead of like the coloring and the time that goes into completing some of the cutout backgrounds. So on this one here, you can see that we have the top layer, which includes the map, the top layer of the nameplate, and we have a legend. So we have different options for these. So you'll see here, this is the kind of the cut version of the map, and then I could show you that we have a now we have a scored version as well. So this is kind of how the scored map looks. Both are included, so you could pick and choose which one you like best. We also have a number of nameplates, so there's going to be 3 nameplates included, so 1, 2, and 3. And of those nameplates, 3 are going to be kind of your standard ones without personalization that include engraved text that we created. And then the other option is just going to include a blank space for you to add a family name or any saying you like that you could customize for your customers. So that's the nameplate there. For the legend, you can see here that we have one that's cut out, so similar to our other one, and then we have these little markers that you could include and add into the map as someone travels to that space. I suggest when cutting these that you cut them separately, paint the sheet whatever color you like, or color it, stain it, and then cut the circles from that, so they're already good to go, because to paint these individually is going to take you quite long. The other thing I recommend is adding 3M tape to the back of these, so basically the customer can peel it and then stick it right in, pop it in, and then that's not moving at all. If you want to go an easier route, we also included the scored version of this. So now you can score these, and then a customer can use whatever they like, a marker, a pen, just to mark off that the places, the parks that they've gone. So you'll see when you drag the legend into the laser software, we used a new color, which is the purple color purple, and basically that's going to give you the option to either score or engrave. So now the option's yours, whether you want it the scored way or do you want it the cut way. Okay, cut way is going to be a little bit more advanced, a little bit more tedious. The scored version is going to be a lot easier for you to work with, but you can tell the difference in them, right? Again, with the backers as well, the scored backers are going to be a lot easier to produce, and then we also have the cut backers, which are going to be a little bit more advanced, but we wanted to include both options, 2 completely different looks, and now you could basically be at any skill level as a laser user and be able to produce something pretty amazing. So as mentioned, here's like another background that we did with the mountains, and I'll show you this one here. This one's like more of like a compass design that we have. So lots of options. In total there's 10 backgrounds. 7 of those backgrounds are going to be cut and 3 of those are going to be engraved. So lots of options, lots of ways to produce these, and I'm excited to see what our amazing customers come up with. Thanks very much for joining us. Thank you.